Morgan Freeman is really a white boy.
Babe, what's wrong? Babe, what's wrong? Alright, fuck it then.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, what, nigga?
What does a dog say?
Damn, where my friends at?
That's grape soda. Come on.
Oh, it smells like your mamma mia pizzeria. It smells like the baby.
Okay.
Turn around, stick it out, show the world you got a bubble butt, bubble, bubble, bubble butt, bubble butt, bubble, bubble.
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Please give me cock. Oh, please give me cock. I want a cock.
Hey, I'm Max. I'm gonna teach you how to make cereal. Grab some milk. And oh my God, we're out of milk!
This is how to recover from an embarrassing fall.
Insert cash into next payment type.
One water, please.
Oh my goodness.
You big goof, Gary, you did it again.
Summer's not over. Don't you quit on me. Don't you quit on me.
There's no going back.
Hey.
Excuse me, sir, has there ever been a robbery at this establishment?
Not that I know of. I don't know.
Why is everybody afraid of love?
Love!
Oh!
Woo! Game time, 3, 2, yee!
Not today, nigga.
No! Come on! Yes!
Oh, Stewie.
Hello, Stewie Griffin here. Great to be back. Quick question. When is spring break?
Open the door!
Oh boy. Can you keep it down?
Open the door!
Oh boy. Can you keep it down?
Open the door!
Can you keep it down?
Open the door!
Oh boy. Can you keep it down?
Open the door!
Oh boy. Can you keep it down?
Really? Open the door!
Oh boy. Can you keep it down?
Really? Open
I'm gonna get it done today!